Hey, welcome back to the channel. So we're finally making some good progress on the 408 series again, with just about a week and a half until the first points race. I really got to get this thing finished up. So I took an opportunity to go ahead and get some of the underside of the car back together. I still got the headers and carburetor to go. Okay, so I'm over on the driver's side. Here's the oil pan, here's the bell housing. Here's a bolt, torque converter bolt. This is the sweet spot for putting these torque converter bolts in once you've gone to the performance type converters where they use bolts instead of studs and nuts. Now on the stock ones, you can go through the starter hole and get to the stud typically, and you're okay. You got plenty of room, and you can come over here and tighten up. You don't have to spin the motor around so much. But with the big oil pans, particularly once I put the big 8-quart back in here, the oil pan's out to about here, and all you can do is get your fingers up in there. So this offset wrench and tape is your friend. See, right now I can just reach up in here and get the bolt started. It's no biggie. But this is the spot to work from with the small bell housing on Windsor 302 small lot Ford applications. And if you all right, I got to go get some Scotch-Brite and clean off that contact. All right, now you always want to clean any electrical connections when you're putting them back together. It's just a good practice, and this is no different. Scotch-Brite and clean copper. All right, I'm gonna have to put a new zip tie on this thing, but basically it comes up here like this. Can't remember if I got a socket here big enough or not. I think I do. Yeah. Here we go. The short wrench would be real good right about here. And we still got the hard part to go. We gotta put the headers on. There we go. Alright, now when I feed the other wire down, we'll put the little one on before we hook the battery up. The other thing I need to do is check the oil pan bolts on the transmission pan bolts, I should say. Make sure they're tight. And we're ready to put headers on. So the starter's back in, torque converter's bolted up, we're ready to put the headers back on. The tubular K-member that you can see running around in the photos there has really helped with header installation on this thing. You still have to take the steering column out and take the shaft out, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. This regular header install, it's just a little tight with the Windsor in the car, particularly over around the brake booster area, putting the last bolts back in, but I pulled a few tricks on that, and I'll point those out while I'm putting the headers back. But we're getting close. We got a week until points racing starts, week and a half, and I got a little bit more work to do and start this thing up, and I'd like to get a test pass on it, or at least start it up and drive it around a lot. But until next time, thanks for watching. Stay focused, step outside of your comfort zone, do something interesting. You never know what you might create. Go out and build something cool. Until next time, this is Fab Race Mod Repeat. Hope everyone has a great day.